श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्री आयुर्वेदाय नमः। श्री गणेशाय आयुर्वेदाय नमो नमः। Namaste to one and all. In the previous episode of Ayur Ganapati, that is the glory and greatness of Bhagavan Ganapati in Ayurveda, we have seen the importance of Ganapati in the manifestation of Jwara and also as Daiva Vipashaya Chikitsa in doing Nivarana of Jwara. In that Prakarana of Daiva Vipashaya Chikitsa of Jwara in Charaka Samhita, we saw Somam Sa Anucharam Devam Samatru Ganamishwaram Pujan Pretasheghram Muchyate Vishamajwarata. Ganamishwaram has been told, and this Ganamishwaram is none other than Ganeshwaram or Ganesha. Now the next shloka is stating Vishnum Sahasramurdhanam Charachara Patim Vibhum Stuvan Nama Sahasrena Jwaran Sarvan Apohati. That is, by doing Parayana of Vishnu Sahasranama, Jwara gets Nivarana. Now a question arises, which is that Vishnu Sahasranama that does the pacification of Jwara? Then the answer is like this. Before going into the answer, which is Vishnu Sahasranama Parayana that has to be done so that a Jwara gets Nivarana, one has to know this concept. That is, Ganapati is Sakshat Vishnu Swarupa. The story regarding this is, once when Sri Mahavishnu attended the marriage of Shiva Parvati Kalyana, Sri Mahavishnu saw Parvati Devi and thought, I should be born to Parvati Devi as her son. Parvati Devi came to know what Sri Mahavishnu was thinking in his mind and replied, Oh brother, you will be born to me 2 times in 2 different forms. The 2 times and the 2 different forms are once as Ganesha and another time as Subramanyeshwara. Hence, Shri Ganesha and Subramanyeshwara are Sakshat Shri Mahavishnu Swarupa. Therefore, in Ganesha Tapaniyopanishad, one of the shloka addressing Ganesha is Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadanam Dhyayeta Sarva Vighnopashantaye. And also one of the names of Ganesha in Ganesha Purana Antargata Ganesha Sahasranama is Shri Vishnave Namaha. This means Namaskara to Shri Mahavishnu Swarupa Ganapati, and also I meditate the Prasanna Vadana Ganesha who is wearing white colored apparel, Shuklam Baradharam who is Shri Mahavishnu Swarupa, Vishnum who is white in complexion, Shashivarnam who is having 4 arms, Chaturbhujam and who pacifies all the obstacles, Sarva Vighnopashantaye. As Shri Ganesha is Sriman Narayana, is known as Lakshmi Ganapati apart from Lakshmi Narayana. It's not that Vishnu Sahasranama chanting doesn't cure Jwara. It definitely does a patient get rid from Jwara. But the context here refers to Shri Ganesha Sahasranama only. That's because when we observe the Phalashruti of Vishnu Sahasranama and the Phalashruti of Ganesha Sahasranama, Acharya Charaka's above sutra saying that Sahasranama of that form of Vishnu which cures Sarva Jwara has to be chanted. So the Phalashruti of Vishnu Sahasranama with respect to Vyadhi or disease is Artha Vishanna Shitilascha Bhitaha Goryeshu Cha Vyadhishu Vartamanaha Sankirta Narayana Shabdamatramam Vimukta Dukkha Sukhino Bhavantu. That is, by chanting, praising the word Narayana makes one free from Ghora Vyadhi. Whereas, when we observe the Phalashruti of Ganesha Sahasranama, it's clearly stating Gulmam Plehanam Ashmanam Atisaram Mahodaram Kasam Shwasam Udavartam Shula Shobhadi Sambhavam Shiro Rogam Vamim Hikam Gandamala Marochakam Vatapitta Kapadhvandva Tridosha Janitajwaram Agantum Vishamam Sheetam Ushnam Chaikahikadikam Ityaduktam Anuktam Va Rogam Doshadi Sambhavam Sarvam Prashametyashu Stotasya Asya Sakrutjapaha. So, by making Parayana, that is Patana, and also making Shravana, that is hearing Ganesha Sahasranama, one gets Nivarana from Sarva Vyadhi. So, from above references, we can conclude that by chanting the Sahasranama of Shri Ganesha, a form of Vishnu makes one free from Sarva Jwara. Thus, doing Namaskara to that Vishnu Swarupa Ganapati and doing Prarthana to do the Nivarana of Samasta Vyadhis and Jwara, I conclude today's session. Sarvam Shri Ganesha Charanara Vindarpanamastu, Sarvam Shri Ayurvedarpanamastu, Swasti.